Hello! Good day to all employers. My name is Lenny Lin, 41 years of age, and I'm thrilled to introduce myself as a compassionate, responsible, and experienced nanny. As a single mom to a 6 wonderful kids, I bring a deep understanding of childcare, patience, and adaptability that I believe makes me a perfect fit for your family. I have over 22 years of experience in taking for children, not just as a mother, but also by assisting other families in creating a nurturing and structured environment. I've handled everything from school pickups, helping with homework, to organizing engaging, creative activities tailored to each child's interest and developmental stage. In terms of my work experience, I spent 2 years and 9 months in Jeddah as a nanny, where I was responsible for caring for 5 teenagers. My duties included household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and car washing. Right now, I am currently based and working in Hong Kong, where I was take care of a newborn baby boy and a 5-year-old girl. My responsibilities also involve cooking, marketing, washing and ironing clothes, and cleaning the house. And my contract here set to end in June 2025. I'm passionate about creating a safe and loving environment where children can thrive emotionally, socially, and academically. I'm always proactive about finding new ways to help kids learn while having fun, whether it's through crafts, reading, or educational games. I can also assist with household duties to make your day smoother. My background as an experienced nanny has strengthened my skills in time management, communication, and multitasking. All essentials qualities for a reliable nanny. Being a mother has also taught me the importance of empathy, patience, and resilience, which I bring into every aspect of childcare. I understand how important it is to foster positive values in children and support their growth with love, respect, and encouragement. Safety and well being are always my top priorities. I take pride in being dependable, understanding, adaptable to a different family dynamics and childcare needs. I genuinely love working with children, seeing them grow into confident, happy individuals, and I would be honored to be part of your family's journey and provide the same care and attention I give my own kids. Thank you for your time. I'm excited to connect with you soon and learn more about how can I support your family. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye. See you soon.